Stop by and take a look at the 2025 X2. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.